Hi, I'm Francesco, and I invite you to join me in probably the most important workshop I've ever taught. This is a new series called EMF training. It's kind of a play on electromagnetic frequencies, but it really means E for emotions, M for minds, F for fields, energy fields. Everything is energy. And all I've taught in the over 30 years of Qigong teaching around the world, I've noticed that the elements that I've added to those workshops involving emotions are three minds, and our energy fields were the bits of information that people really found useful to take their personal growth to another level. I've decided to pull all those together in a 3-day workshop, and it really is, to me, the most important thing we could learn. If we understand the basics of Qigong, the beautiful energy principles we learn in yoga and Reiki and energy healing, Qigong, Tai Chi, we know that there's a place where we have to come to understand our own personal growth, what it means to break through those conditionings, break through those beliefs that we have that keep us from just surviving and bring us into thriving. That's what EMF training is all about. It's from my heart. It's an intense 3 days, but I promise you it will bring a new way to look at your life, look at relationships, look at your abundance and empowerment in a whole new way. I put it to use. I watch a lot of people around the world who've told me how they've benefited from these principles. And now to bring it all together in a 3-day workshop, I think this is it. This is what I am really here to do and to share from my heart. So I hope you'll find time to do it. And I honor your commitment to your personal path for growth and healing. And especially if you're an instructor, to be able to help others really get these benefits that are implicit in understanding about emotions, our minds, and our energy fields. So thank you, and I look forward to sharing this beautiful experience with you soon. Peace.